Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is an optional read aloud of the text below. Dr. Elizabeth Mitchell had just come off back-to-back work shifts in the emergency room at Boston Medical Center last week and was not sure how to think about what she had experienced. In almost 3 decades as an emergency physician, she, like her colleagues, was used to feeling invincible. She had regularly treated patients facing horrific trauma. She had grabbed gloves and rushed toward the smoke while working during the Boston Marathon bombing. But as the coronavirus began to explode on the East Coast, the fear and anxiety in her emergency room department was something entirely new. This feels for the very first time there is actually a threat to me as a physician, Dr. Mitchell said. The nurses feel the same way. In hospitals across the country, the lack of widespread testing and the severe shortage of protective gear have left healthcare workers fretting for their own safety and for the public's. The virus is as invincible as it is dangerous. You can't see it and you don't know what is going to happen, Dr. Mitchell said. One recent morning, after a long shift in the ER, Dr. Mitchell took a walk in her neighborhood and noticed a daffodil, a type of flower, blooming, a reminder of spring's renewal. In contrast, it contrasted with so much in the landscape around her that had changed. Neighbors closeted behind closed doors, the protective armor she had to wear to work, and all the uncertainty in the air. After her walk, Dr. Mitchell sat down and wrote a poem.